Hi students, how are you? Let's again continue with our online courses, and this time we're going to talk about the use of used to. Okay, just look at the title: use plus the used to. The form of used to, it has two forms. You can use it in an affirmative form, you can use it in a negative form, and we can use it in a question form. Okay, so we can just say in affirmative form used to. For example, I used to play, I used to go, I used to swim, I used to make whatever, I used to teach, I used to study, I used to buy. Okay, but when we use it in the negative form, in this case we just add didn't. So when we say didn't, if you remember, when we study the past simple tense, we said that the ed is an indication for the past event, but when we use did, we have to remove the d or the ed from the verb, because did or didn't is also considered as an indication for the past event. Okay, so in this case we just say, for example, I didn't use to play, not I didn't use the. Okay, I didn't use to play, I didn't use to go, I didn't use to swim, I didn't use to make, I didn't use to teach, I didn't use to study, I didn't use to buy. In the form of the question, we start with did as an auxiliary verb, and this is called yes no question. We also studied it before. So did you use to? Did you use to play? Did you use to go? Did you use to swim? Did you use to make? Did you use to teach? Did you use to study? Did you use to buy? Okay, so generally when we use used to in the affirmative form, we use it as used with ed or with d. But when we use it in the negative form, because we make the sentence negative using didn't, so we have to remove the d from use. In the question we use did, so also you have to remove the d from the verb use. Okay, here the use of used to, we use used to for repeated actions in the past, some things that we did in the past but now we are no longer doing them. Okay, for example, we can say my father used to smoke. That means my father smoked or was smoking in the past, but now he gave up. Okay, another example, we also used to for actions that happened only once in the past, something that happened in the past and just once, and now you don't do it. Okay, or the person whom you are speaking about just doing that action or that habit in the past, and now in the present he doesn't do it. Okay, so thank you very much. This is the lesson for today.